So the most important thing when turning with wood is to make sure that your tools are sharp. I'm going to show you how to sharpen the shear scrapers and the 23mm hook tool, and also these hook tools. You have the 10mm and the 12mm. This is the tier drop for the heavy duty, which is the same as this tool. We'll start with this, which is on the grinder. So let me take you over to the grinder and I'll show you how to sharpen all three of these, which is the same. You actually leave the cutter on the tool itself. You keep your Allen key in, we'll go over to the grinder. And what we're going to do is just line up this bevel here, which is about 10 degrees. And just let it spin, like so. You make sure that you go to the edge and you can feel there's a really nice sharp burr. So it's the same for these two tools. Of course, once the cryo edge has got blunt, you can turn them around 3, maybe 4 times before you have to resharpen. So they do keep their edge for quite a long time. So these tools, because they're tiny tips, I actually recommend to sharpen them on a diamond. Now, after use, you'll see that they get full up and they use a proper engineering screw, which needs a torque. So you have to make sure that that's sort of cleaned out to make sure that the key fits in correctly. We take these off, like so, and they just go onto the sharpening mandrel, like so. And what I like to do is just put them into a drill, just make sure that that's tight. And then very similar, we're going to spin that and just lining up with the bevel, and I can feel that really nice sharp cutting edge. Once again, that will keep its edge for a very long time, but you get to turn it around 2 or 3 times. But when it gets dull, of course, you can just go back and just get the edge back.